to the Mac App Store using Unity 19.3.11 and Xcode 11. First thing you would want to do is ensure that the screen resolution is set to standalone 1024 times 768. After that, you need to go in your build settings. Make sure you have PC, Mac, and Linux standalone chosen. Create Xcode project, and then go into player settings. In player settings, make sure you have your company name. That could be your own name, your product name, and your version name. Don't forget to add your icon. Any icon will do. Just add it. And you need to change some other settings. My PC is a little slow, so bear with me. You will also need to make sure that our Mac App Store validation is checked. Make sure Mac App Store validation is checked. And make sure you set your name bundle. It's in this format: com, your name, and the name of the game. Set up that. And that is about it for here. Go ahead and build the game. Choose your location, save it. I already built mine because my PC is slow. So I'm going to close off this. I'm going to the next step. The next step is you have to go on your Apple developer account. I'll open the Xcode project to save time. I just see my Mac very slow. This is a very easy process. You just have to bear with me with this slow PC I have. You go into the app developer, your app developer account. There's just one thing you have to create in your app developer account. You don't need to download no certificates and this kind of stuff. Everything is automatic in this Xcode 11. I hope I get through today. Right, when you reach on your app developer account, you need to go in certificate, identifiers, and profiles. And you need to create a new identifier. I already created one for the game, but I'm going to show you how I can create the next one and just add it on. Very simple. So you need app ID, continue, put a description, space, indeed, and name it. You need to name this the same name you have as your bundle ID. So you need to copy this and save it in a text file. In this format, invade. Click continue. Bundle ID, register with the Mac. One thing I forgot to do is make sure you tick Mac OS here. I'll go back, made a mistake. Make sure you tick Mac OS here in Game Center. I don't know if it's relevant, but it worked for me. And click continue. And register. Right, now that we have that name, we need to go in the App Store and create the submission. App Connect. So we're going to App Connect. Let's give it a sec to load. See, the project is loaded here. As you can see, I already had a submission started. And the bundle ID. The most important thing is the bundle ID. So as you can see, we now created this bundle ID, so we could put this. You need to copy this bundle ID. Copy this and save this bundle ID, because you'll be using this in Xcode. Once you go on Xcode and it open up on this window here, you could change the bundle identifier to the one that you just created. Space invader. Make sure that is correct with this bundle identifier here. Space invader, right? Save. Now we're going into Xcode. Make sure the bundle identifier matches the one you created right here. You're going into sign in and capabilities, and you need to add a capability which is sandbox. Right, well, I'll already add mine, but you just double click on sandbox. It will appear here and it will be added, and you will see it like how you see in sandbox here on mine. You click automatic sign in and you will have your name, your team, because I'm sure most of you already created certificates and teams and things and identifiers. So that's all we need for there. Next part, you go into the product and you clean the build folder. I already cleaned this project. And if you get any yellow triangles here, you could click on it and probably use the recommended settings once you don't get no red. Otherwise, all these settings supposed to be, you could use the normal settings, everything, the default works okay. And you go there and then you click archive. Once you click archive just because I've changed the build bundle identifier just to show you how you could change the bundle identifier right here. I don't need to change it in Unity. You could write in Xcode after I build, no matter make a mistake with it, but just make sure you copy it off the app submission page and paste it here, bundle identifier. That is very important. And you let it build. Should take a few minutes to finish building. Again, sorry for the slow PC. Trying to help somebody here and hope this video is helpful to somebody. If you all like, you could like the video, you could subscribe, click the like button. This is my first video. Probably I might get better hardware. Alright, once the build has finished, we'll open up a window here. Alright, when it opens this window, you can click distribute up. App Store connect. Click next. Upload next. Upload next. Manage automatic sign-in. You don't have to download no certificates. You have to create them, we don't want to download them. Xcode 11 does everything automatic. All the sign and everything. I haven't downloaded any certificate or profiles or any of them type of stuff. See it going through there. I did change a bundle identifier last minute, as I show you. I create a new one. I had one before, but I create a new one just to show you. You could create, once you match the one on the App Store, App Connect, with the one in Xcode, you should be fine. That is all. You don't need to submit pictures and description at this point in time. After after the app has been uploaded, then you could take your time and create those things. Because I did not create none of those things. All I did was create the bundle identifier and add it. Now if I did everything correct, should be able to upload it. Give it a little time. I hope I didn't forget any steps. You know, it's like that moment when you reach this part. I hope I didn't forget nothing. I wonder if I did forget. But this so PC, this baker make a lot of errors. A lot of errors. You can also validate the app, but I find distributing the app is the same thing like validating the app. The same amount of time it does take everything. And if you get an error, you will see the description in the error and you can just go and fix it. Probably if you get an error here, I will show. I will be kind of happy because I will show you how we could fix it. Once you keep bearing with me. I know my PC is very slow. Now I did change the bundle identifier, as I tell you. It's important you create your bundle identifier, but it's more important that when you're in Xcode, you match the bundle identifier to the one you're creating an app connect. You have nothing else to create an app connect. Make sure you create that. After the app has been uploaded, you can create your description and add your photos and things to suit. You could also change the app icon. So you just can add any app icon, and when you upload On App Connect, you can change your icon. You could also change the name. So it doesn't really matter the bundle identifier, what name you're using. You could change to what name you want on App Connect. That bundle identifier is just for Apple and you to connect to know that you all are on the same page with the same thing you're uploading is going to them. Alright, so I see like something looking kinda good here so far. This is it. This is like when your heart's at a race. Alright, it's almost there. Now I did nothing on App Connect as I showed you. Once it's done uploaded, hopefully I will go back on App Connect and show you I didn't really do anything. I just create the bundle ID. I just added the bundle ID and uploaded the app, or the Mac app. iOS is basically the same way too. So you see it going here open. This is my method I just use, and I have been able to get up most of my apps successfully. Apple have a way of, if it's an error when your app is up, they describe it and send pictures. Okay, so we get successfully uploaded. That's going right. So we have successfully uploaded this app. Done. Alright, and we can close this. Just go back, just this step here. Make sure your bundle identifier matches Xcode. Sign in and capabilities. Add sandbox for Mac app, not iOS, Mac app. It will come up here. I already added mine, so you'll see add sandbox, double click it and it will appear down here. That's all you need to do with sandbox. And you go on to general, but all default settings works okay, so you don't already have anything to do here. So right, we have it up. Nice. Okay, let me close Xcode and go back into go back here into App Connect. Right, we in App Connect, and all I did on App Connect was create the app. I put a name and I chose the bundle. I had a bundle before, but I show an example how easy I created a bundle and how automatically Xcode did all the certificate sign in and everything to the bundle I created, because the new bundle I created, I matched it to Xcode. Here we have it up. I don't have any photos, no description, nothing. Now that your app is up, you can create those things. Private policy whatsoever. So I hope this video was helpful to someone. If you like it, you can click the like button, subscribe, comment if you want me to create another one on iOS. Thank you.